So many people have asked me how I clean the machine, and they were fascinated by the way I took the back of it off. But what I clean my machine is, I use one of these, which is a Thermomix brush. All it is, but you could use a paintbrush. I use it, I do this, and I get in and I clean under here, and I push it through the hole at the back, because what that does is it goes under the Thermomix machine into the board. So you can quite easily do that. But the way I clean it, I pull it round. Yes, it's turned off for here. And if you see, you can actually get your little finger under here. So all I do, pull it off. Give it a good clean. Only use a damp cloth. Please don't use water. I give it a good brush like this. Make sure all the dust is out of it. Then I use, look, it's just my standard cloth. I get in and I run my finger along here. I get down, clean under here, clean in here. I'm a bit pedantic with it, but that's me. I've spent a lot of money on this machine, as you all have. And they've got little catches, and all you got to do is slip them back in. That's it, you're done. But I do suggest having a slide board, lifting it. Now I'm probably going to get a shock when I do this. Lifting it off, and you can see the dirt that I have under here. So I just need to give that a clean. That's what comes from the little hole inside your machine. So give that a wipe over, give your scales a wipe over, gentle, don't ever slide it on your bench, and you've got a clean machine again. There you go.